Can changing your mindset about money actually change your bank account? Are we broke because of how we think or because of where we start? Let me help you. Make sure you watch until the end as I will go over about broke people think like this. Wealthy people don't. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating topic that can truly change the way you think about money and success. We're exploring the contrasting mindsets of broke and wealthy individuals. At first glance, it might seem like the difference lies solely in financial status, but the truth is much deeper. Wealthy individuals often approach life with a growth mindset, viewing challenges as opportunities for learning and advancement. In contrast, those who struggle financially may adopt a scarcity mindset, focusing on limitations and obstacles rather than possibilities. Understanding these different perspectives is crucial for anyone looking to achieve personal growth and financial success. By recognizing how our thoughts shape our actions, we can begin to shift our mindset towards abundance and opportunity. This video will not only highlight these differences but also provide practical insights on how to cultivate a wealth-oriented mindset. So whether you're striving for financial independence or simply looking to improve your outlook on life, stay tuned as we unpack these powerful concepts that can lead to transformative change. Mindset on money. When it comes to money, the mindset you adopt can significantly influence your financial journey. Broke individuals often operate from a scarcity mindset, viewing money as a limited resource that must be hoarded and protected. This perspective can lead to fear-driven spending and saving habits, where every purchase feels like a risk. For example, someone with a scarcity mindset might avoid investing in their education or personal development, fearing that they can't afford it. On the other hand, wealthy individuals embrace an abundance mindset, seeing money as a tool for growth and opportunity. They understand that investing in themselves, whether through education or business ventures, can yield greater returns in the long run. This mindset encourages them to spend wisely, but also to take calculated risks that can lead to financial expansion. By shifting your perspective on money from scarcity to abundance, you can open doors to new opportunities and better financial outcomes. Start viewing money as a resource that can work for you rather than something to be feared. This simple shift can lead to transformative changes in your financial life. Approach to opportunities. When it comes to opportunities, the approach taken by broke individuals often stems from a deep-seated fear of taking risks. This fear can paralyze decision-making, leading to missed chances for growth and success. In contrast, wealthy individuals understand that risk-taking is a crucial component of wealth creation. They recognize that every opportunity carries some level of risk, but they also see the potential rewards that come with stepping outside their comfort zones. Consider the stories of successful entrepreneurs like Richard Branson and Elon Musk. Both have faced significant risks in their careers, from launching new ventures to investing in groundbreaking technologies. Their willingness to embrace uncertainty has not only led to personal success, but has also transformed entire industries. For viewers watching this video, it's essential to recognize that opportunities are often disguised as risks. By shifting your mindset and being open to calculated risks, you can unlock new paths to success in your own life. Embrace the idea that taking risks can lead to incredible rewards, and start looking for opportunities that align with your goals. Remember, fortune favors the bold. Investment versus consumption. When it comes to financial priorities, The distinction between investing for the future and consuming for immediate gratification can significantly impact your wealth journey. Broke individuals often prioritize consumption, spending their money on liabilities that provide short-term pleasure but little long-term value. This might include lavish dinners, the latest gadgets, or trendy clothing, items that quickly lose their worth. In contrast, wealthy individuals focus on investing in assets that appreciate over time. Smart investments like stocks, real estate, or mutual funds can generate passive income and build wealth for the future. For example, purchasing a rental property not only provides immediate cash flow, but also appreciates in value over the years, creating a solid financial foundation. By adopting an investment mindset, you can shift your focus from fleeting pleasures to long-term wealth creation. Instead of spending every dollar on temporary satisfaction, consider how you can allocate your resources toward investments that will grow and provide financial security. Remember, the choices you make today can shape your financial future. So prioritize investments that will pay off in the long run. Start thinking like a wealthy individual and watch your financial landscape transform. Networking and relationships. When it comes to success, the importance of networking and building relationships cannot be overstated. Wealthy individuals understand that their connections can open doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and resources. In contrast, those who struggle financially may isolate themselves, missing out on the potential benefits that come from engaging with others. Relationships are invaluable in creating opportunities. They can lead to job offers, partnerships, and even mentorships that can significantly impact your career or business. To effectively network, start by attending industry events, joining professional organizations, or participating in community activities. Don't hesitate to reach out to people on platforms like LinkedIn, and remember that genuine conversations often lead to meaningful connections. Engaging with others not only expands your horizons, but also enriches your perspective. Surrounding yourself with diverse individuals can inspire new ideas and approaches to challenges. So, take the initiative to connect with others, share your experiences, and learn from theirs. By prioritizing relationships, you can create a supportive network that propels you toward your goals and enhances your journey to success. Remember, your network is your net worth. Continuous learning. Lifelong learning is a cornerstone of the mindset that distinguishes wealthy individuals from those who struggle financially. Wealthy people understand that investing in their education and skills is essential for staying competitive and adapting to an ever-changing world. They actively seek out opportunities to expand their knowledge, whether through formal education, workshops, or self-directed study. For instance, many successful entrepreneurs read extensively, often devouring books on leadership, finance, and personal development. Online courses from platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning also provide accessible ways to acquire new skills and knowledge. These resources empower individuals to stay ahead in their fields and explore new interests that can lead to additional income streams. By committing to continuous learning, you not only enhance your skill set, but also cultivate a growth mindset that opens doors to new opportunities. Embrace the idea that learning doesn't stop after formal education. It's a lifelong journey. Make it a habit to dedicate time each week to read, take courses, or attend seminars. This commitment to personal and financial growth can significantly impact your future success and overall fulfillment. Remember, knowledge is a powerful asset. In conclusion, we've explored the key differences in thinking between broke and wealthy individuals, highlighting how mindset plays a crucial role in financial success. We discussed the scarcity mindset that often holds people back compared to the abundance mindset that empowers wealthy individuals to seize opportunities and take calculated risks. We also examined the importance of investing in assets rather than succumbing to the temptation of immediate gratification through consumption. Additionally, we emphasize the value of networking and continuous learning as essential components of a wealthy mindset. By prioritizing relationships and committing to lifelong education, you can create a solid foundation for personal and financial growth. As we wrap up, remember that adopting a wealthy mindset is not just about money. It's about embracing opportunities, taking risks, and investing in yourself. If you found this content valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can foster a community focused on growth and success. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care